Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 4 to 10, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Ayan, pa-follow, like rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let us see, Scorpio. What is up? What's up with you ngayong week na ito? Virgo energy, alchemist. So, maaring you are going to reorganize things in your home, sa bahay, no? Mag-aayos. O, meron ding expansion dito. And Neptune. Oh, this is related to your dreams. Okay, so I feel like you are, may mga pangarap ka na unti-unti nang natutupad for you. And sa ngayon, you are improving your living situation. Yung meron kang pwedeng iba sa inyo nagpapa-renovate ng bahay. Oo, some of you are also going to be focusing on your health, no, sa kalusugan ninyo. Meron kayong kailangang ayusin, asikasuhin sa inyong health, kalusugan. So, yung mga dyan, mga ayaw magpa-check up. Kailangan magpa-check up na para makikita agad kung ano yung problema, no? Para dun sa may mga iniinda sa kanilang mga katawan. Ayan. Speaking of iniinda sa katawan, o yung ba sa inyo may mga backaches, no? Oo. So, ito yung iba sa inyo tinatago nyo to eh. Hindi nyo pinapaalam sa iba na meron kayong pinagdadaanan sa physical na katawan ninyo, sa physical body nyo. So, it's time to focus on that para maagapan. Seven of Wands. You have the Knight of Swords. So, maari kasing magkaroon pa to ng issue with someone na magsisisihan pa kayo sino yung may kasalanan. So, might as well be more open. Kasi, minsan kasi yung mga Scorpios, hindi sila nagsasabi ng nararamdaman nila. They hold back. Diba? Yung mga tinatago. So, para iwas rin sa argument, iwas sa conflict with someone. You also have the Nine of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles. Meron kayong aaralin na bagong pagkakakitaan. And this might lead to financial abundance. Especially that Jupiter is also here. This is related to your dreams, your goals. Pwedeng nagre-reassess ka kung ano yung mga plano mo or parang may change of plans, no? So, ngayon pa lang, iniisip mo na kung ano yung mga ipupurso mo, no, sa susunod na taon. So, i-focus mo lang rin yung energy mo dyan, especially rin sa yung career and sa health mo, kalusugan mo. Kailangan hindi rin magsasuffer pareho. So, syempre, paano tayo mas magiging productive kung nagsasuffer yung health natin. So, I think for some of you, Scorpio, you will prioritize your health this week. Some of you will also research about something related sa health ninyo. And also sa business. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, mag-start kayo ng negosyo. Oo. Let's see, pa. You have Tortoise, slowly but surely getting ahead. Yes. So, may mga nasimulan kayo in the past na pwedeng naiinip na kayo dun sa resulta. Be more patient daw kasi you will definitely get to your destination. Makakarating ka rin naman sa pupuntahan mo. See, merong opportunity or windfall. So, this is a windfall kasi is bigla ang pasok ng pera. O, di ba? Tapos biglang may good fortune. Oh my God, Scorpio. Ang ganda. Good fortune is coming in. Ito yung ito yung iba sa inyo, ito yung reward sa mga pinagpaguran nyo, in-effortan nyo, and para siyang magsasanga-sanga, no? So, nag-effort ka, tapos for quite some time, hindi mo nakikita yung resulta, and then eventually, mabibigla ka na lang, boom, ayan na. Ayan na yung mga resulta, fruits of your labor. Oo. An emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. So, with this nest, I think, you will do something that will make your family secure, especially sa home, sa bahay. So, yung iba, bibili ng bagong bahay or magpapaayos kayo ng bahay nyo para you will feel more safe and secure sa tinitirahan ninyo. Oo. Yung iba, magpapakabit ng mga safety features sa bahay. Meron ditong dissatisfaction with life. Okay. So, I think ito na yung binabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na parang feeling nyo ang bagal ng progress. Pero, it doesn't mean na hindi ka magiging successful. Kumbaga, lang siya, slowly but surely nga. But eventually, you will experience good fortune. You will experience yung success kasi nga hindi ka nag-give up. So, don't give up, okay? Hold on to your dreams. Hold on to your goals. Kasi eventually, makukuha mo rin naman yan. O, diba? Speaking of, you have the North Node. The North Node is about your future, your destiny. You have the 11th house and Virgo energy. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong, strong placements ng Virgo. Kasi siya, na doble. So, I think you are reorganizing your life, reorganizing your plans, and moving towards the direction of your destiny. So, I think yung iba sa inyo, nire-research nyo na kung ano talaga yung interest ninyo, ano yung gifts ninyo. So, yung gifts ninyo na yan yung magdadala sa inyo sa success. Yes. O, diba? Temperance, be more patient, and work on your health, kalusugan. You have the Three of Wands. Three of Wands is about expansion, and the Jupiter energy is also about expansion. So, more opportunities for you to grow, mas lumago yung business mo, yung trabaho mo, yung career mo. You also have the Five of Wands. Eventually, there will be people na magta-try na hadlangan ka sa mga plano mo, or may mga taong will try to compete with you, pero ikaw pa rin ang winner. Okay? So, napakagandang energies for you, Scorpio. So, that is your reading. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.